Looking to urge into the electric vehicle, EV, advertise? Buying an EV charging station might be your following huge venture. With the rise in electric cars, the require for charging stations is booming, making it a shrewd move for your trade or individual development. Here's how you'll purchase an EV charging station and get begun nowadays. Step 1. Get at the EV charging station showcase. The request for EV charging stations is developing quick. There are diverse sorts, such as Level 1, Level 2, and quick chargers, each suited for distinctive needs. Knowing which sort fits your objectives is key to making the proper venture. Step 2. Set your budget and investigate financing. EV charging stations can be exorbitant, but don't worry, there are ways to support your buy. Evaluate how much you're willing to spend and investigate financing choices like awards or advances to cover the costs. Step 3. Choose the most excellent area. Area is everything. Select a high-traffic zone with extraordinary perceivability for your charging station. Think shopping centers, stopping parcels, or close throughways. Make beyond any doubt the region has the correct electrical setup for a smooth establishment. Step 4. Discover a solid charging station supplier. Another, discover a trusted supplier who offers high-quality, fast-charging hardware. Check for highlights like user-friendly interfacing and inaccessible checking. Surveys can assist you select the correct company for your needs. Step 5. Finalize the buy and establishment. Once you pick the proper supplier, arrange the cost, establishment, and benefit terms. After everything's set, guarantee the charging station is introduced legitimately and prepared to go. Do not disregard to advance it to pull in clients.